Hey guys, Mr. H, this is question 34 from the June 2025 Algebra 1 Regents. They've given us a system of equations and they want us to solve it algebraically. They want the values for x and y. They've given us one, which is a quadratic. The first equation is a quadratic. The second one is linear. Now, first thing I would do, first thing I tell my students to do is go ahead and find the intersections, graph it and find the intersections so you know what the answers are. So I graphed them, graphed one as a function, I graphed the second one as a relation. I just left it basically like they had it. And then I'm just going to do menu 64 two times because there's two intersections. Here's one. And then I'm going to do menu 64 again. And this is going to be the second one. All right. So those are my two answers. So I'm going to take those and I'm going to write them down at the bottom. So this is going to be a -5, -16, and this is going to be a -2, a -10. So I've written that at the bottom. Those are the X's and Y's. Now, I'm going to use the quadratic formula to find the X values. The only thing that I need to do is, and this is something that I warned you guys about. I figured that the second equation, they would not give it to you in slope-intercept form, that you would have to put it into slope-intercept form. So normally we would go y equals y, but in this case, since y is not by itself, we can't actually do that. Um, so let's do this. Um, let's do this. Um, so what we're going to do is we're going to get the second equation and we're going to get y by itself. And the way we're going to do that is we're just going to add 2x to both sides. And so this is going to be y equals 2x minus 6. Now that's our equation. Going to get rid of this one. This is what we're going to use now. Now we can do that y equals y. So we can have x squared plus 9x plus 4 equals 2x minus 6. Now, like we've done a million times before, we're going to move the the terms on the right-hand side over to the left-hand side. So we're going to subtract 2x from here. We're going to add 6 to here. This is going to be 0. This is going to be x squared plus 7x plus 10. That means our A is going to be 1, our B is going to be 7, our C is going to be 10. And then we need to enter this. This will be in 7 plus or minus. This is going to be 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10 over 2 times 1. Now, from here, we are just going to, um, we're just going to let the calculator take over. So we're going to come here. Let's go here. We're going to use this part. We're going to store those numbers. 1, store, we're going to put that into A. And then 7, we're going to store that into B. And then 10, we're going to store it, 10, we're going to store that into C. And then boom, got it. Now we're just going to put the quadratic formula in. So we're just going to go control divide. Where is it? So this is going to be a negative B plus square root of B squared minus 4A times C over 2A. 2A. Press enter. Tells me that the X value is a -2. So I can come here and I can say X is equal to a -2. And then I'm going to go X equals, all I have to do now is, and change this to a minus, and we get a -5. All right, so now Once we got that, technically what we're doing is we're going to take these two, plug it into that equation, and find out what y is. We already know what y is, but we can do that. So this is basically y equals 2 times a negative 5 minus 6. I'm going to say that's a negative 16. And then I'm going to do y equals 2, negative 2 minus 6. So that's a negative 10. So boom, done. Um, oops, didn't show that part. Um, I don't think I showed any of this. Whoopsie. Well, let's see. Yeah, I did. I just went in there and once I got my answers, I just plugged it into here. I already know what the answers are because I already found the intersections. I'm just kind of plugging those numbers in to kind of show that I know how to find the y values. And I am done. All right, so I want to stop and post.